Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And we got a few things to do today. We're gonna be looking at one of the car brands that I might have not done a lot of content on in the past, but today I'm bringing out some of my Bentleys, and we're gonna unbox a brand new Bentley truck. But before we do that, I want everybody to go ahead and subscribe to one of my good buddies. His name is Alexander Jones. You know, AJ's Garage. He's got a really dope channel. He's always posting a lot of different pieces, all kind of different scales, from 164, 143, all the way up to like autoarts and 118. Just a lot of different pieces. So make sure you guys check out his content, because if you're into the type of content I make, then for sure you're gonna like, you're gonna be into the content he makes. All right, guys. So alright, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and get to the meat on the bone of this video, and that's gonna be this super rare 118 scale Bentley truck. Here we got some other box here. It's pretty much just saying that this is not a toy, and stuff contains small parts, that they should not be swallowed, and that you guys see it's accurate scale, not a toy, Kyosho. And here we got the color, guys. This is actually Bentayga or Bentayga. I'm not too sure of the pronunciation yet. And this is an orange flame. It's actually dealer edition. Alright, guys, and without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and unveil this puppy. I gotta tell you guys, I really like this Bentley truck. It brings, of course, a door opening tool, as you're almost used to seeing on Kyoshos. Yeah, guys, we also got this really nice Bentley fiber static cloth, that's basically used to clean and wipe the car down without scratching it or anything like that. So really nice that it brought this along with the model. Alright, guys, here we have the car profile from the side. Looks very nice. Here we have a little bit of the front. Now I gotta tell you guys, the grille does look nice. Perforated photo etched 3D kind of chrome metal sitting on, I guess, all black solid piece behind it, but at least the mesh itself is not one plastic piece. It's actually metal, which is really nice to see. Now here we got some of the lights. Gotta tell you guys, for some reason I might actually take apart one of the lights on mine, because one of the lights on mine looks a bit cloudy, and that's the one on the right. Looks a tiny little bit cloudy, so I might actually take that apart just to clean it. So maybe on a future video you guys will see that one just a little bit more shiny. All the linings on the windows are also chrome. Really nice to see. And there's also a little hint of chrome as well on the door handles. Just an awesome paint job with this. It almost looks like a bronze orange with gold flakes or something along those lines. Alright, guys, let's take a look at the rims and the wheels. You got this nice big B, you know what I'm saying, for Bentley right at the center of the wheel. We see how it spins right there. You also got this really nice brake caliper that says Bentley right there, and you also got a really nice realistic looking ceramic brake disc that does spin with the wheel as the wheel spins as well. Just superb detail. The tires look very realistic too. The rubber tires, but they look just like better quality altogether. Alright guys, not everything about my review is going to be favorable. For starters, I'm not sure when this happened. I always thought these were different companies, but apparently Minichamps got purchased by Kyosho, or maybe vice versa, but this felt more like a Minichamps than a Kyosho, and I say that especially because the mirrors don't fold. Alright guys, as far as steering, another reason why I think this is Minichamps and not Kyosho, even though it's branded Kyosho, basically, the steering is way better than, for example, the Kyosho steering on the Rolls Royces. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior of the car, and I really like the interior of this one, guys. It's very colorful, and it's just very detailed. You see a lot of things painted. You also see little things chrome. For example, the little chrome thingy around the air conditioner vents, really nice touch. We also got this panoramic roof that pretty much extends throughout almost the whole entirety of the roof of the truck, and pretty much you have a lot of light coming into the truck, allows for a lot of visibility of the interior, which is white and almost like a dark or a brownish orange. Just really nice all together. No doggy hinges on the door, very realistic looking, almost like the one in real life. Gotta love the everything, including the the center dash console with the Bentley logo in the screen, or what would be the screen, as well as the dash dials. Love the steering wheel. You got that Bentley logo right on the steering wheel, plus you got like that simulated wood around the steering wheel. This is very intricate detailing here by Kyosho, and this is where Kyosho like wins people over. Their interiors have always been just amazing. Now we're gonna take a look at the back of the truck. Gotta love that Bentley logo and that tag. I guess it stays high enough for you to see what's inside of the trunk. However, no struts at all on the trunk. Not sure if they're supposed to have them, but yeah. Yeah guys, and just superb. Love the chrome pipes right there and the chrome trimming throughout the back of the car. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the motor. And I do like the fact that you have that on top of the hood black piece there that simulates how it would look in real life. Don't like the doggy hinges too much. I mean, I gotta tell you guys, the motor in this particular model once again leads me to believe that this was done maybe by the Minichamps team and not so much the Kyosho team, as it were, if I had to assume or guess, because Yeah, the motor is more similar to what you will find on a Minichamps Bentley. The motor itself is not bad. It's just, you know, we're not looking at a lot here, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, in conclusion, although for a Kyosho I was kind of expecting a little bit more, maybe at least the foldable mirrors, but even without that, I really love the model itself, and I will still highly recommend it. It's still an awesome piece, and so much so that I actually, by the time I'm editing this video, I've already got in the mail a second one of these, and it has just to do too because of an insane price that I got on that one. And that was gonna be on the actual bronze color, which is not to be confused with this one, which is the orange flame. So really curious to see how like both of those would look, you know what, right next to each other. So I definitely got that one on the way, so that will be my next Bentley truck video. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn the notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. And with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace.